Hello guys, welcome to weekly update here on Pound USD. We've got Euro USD, Gold, USDCAD, and of course the DXY. And there's a reason why I started doing the weekly update, because a lot can happen within 2 or 3 days in the market. And you can see my analysis previously at the beginning of the week, it was null and void at least I think since Monday or Tuesday. Now my anticipation was for price to continue to the downside for Pound USD and even Euro USD, but as you can see, we saw a huge weakness in the dollar, and hence why all the pound, euro, USD all got strong and we saw price heading to the top. I missed this particular trade because I was waiting a couple of seconds for more confluence to just buy over here, and price left me. Obviously, as we can see, price is now trending to the upside due to a lot of political things going on with the United States and stuff like that. So for now, I think maybe we're already having that shift in the market. All I'll be looking out for is going to be a pullback, and I'll look for opportunities to probably buy to the upside, which is something to these regions here and continue to the upside, or something within this same pattern to this point here, and then we'll continue to the upside. So this is exactly what I'll be looking out for here on Pound USD. It looks like we're having buys, and our next targets might be all the way to these regions here of 1.30. we're already at 1.2873, a huge push from all the way from 1.26. that's almost 200 picks movement so far this week. All right, there's always going to be a pullback, so I'm waiting for that pullback or a structure to sell to these regions here, and then we'll continue the buys. All right, that's that for Pound USD. And similarly here on Euro USD, which seems to be making more movement than the Pound USD, we'll be looking at the same thing here. I'll be looking for when price will be exhausted. We'll look for opportunities to have price pull back to these regions here. I'm looking for a pullback to these regions here or this regions here, and then we can continue to the upside. Yeah, possible targets after pullbacks might all range to these regions of 1.09. currently price is at 1.07. we might anticipate price to pull back from that region. I might actually counter trade, but I'll have to have some strong confidence to actually sell. All right, that's that for Euro USD pullback continuation. Gold, we didn't see much move here. Usually once the dollar is weak, you see people running over here to gold, to which is like a safe haven. I'm also going to be looking for buy opportunities here on gold. Looking like we have a head and shoulder pattern, two shoulders, head. So let's see a break of this neckline, and then let's see something like this here. So we might just then look for something of this nature, which is to see price break above this region, retest it, and we can see price continue to the upside. All right, surprising we didn't have huge moves here on gold yet, but yeah, this might be what I'll be looking out for here on gold going forward. USDCAD, which is inversely correlated to the pairs Pound USD and Euro USD, since they're all heading to the upside, they should be heading to the downside. But it looks like we're pulling back from a major region here, so if we are to continue sales of this of USDCAD, I'm looking for opportunities for it to pull back to responsible regions of possibly this region here. Okay, but I'm probably going to be confident to start selling if price comes back to break this region here. I might just stay off USDCAD for now. Buys should just be above this region here, and sells I'm looking below these regions, or if we get good rejections from here, we can start selling to these regions here. Okay, possibly. Okay, all right, and then lastly DXY, which is the confluence. We can see how I was anticipating a further pullback to continue to the upside. We didn't get that, and I was surprised skyrocket to the downside here. It's been a huge weakness on the DXT or the dollar, so at this point I'm looking for when it exhausts a pullback to these regions here. Okay, and then we can continue to the downside. This is exactly what I'll be looking out for, either to this region, so 105.50, or an extension of 106, sorry. Okay, all right, that's exactly what I'll be anticipating, and then let's see what the rest of the week gives us. Okay, that's that for that. I hope you back peeps this week. Stay safe. Ciao.